Hello, I'm James from Crayola. Welcome to Creativity Tips. In celebration of National Crayon Day and our love for crayons every day, let's explore a colorful crayon technique. The magical colors and the smell. Yes, the smell of crayons. Excite our imaginations and relax our minds. With so many different colors, crayons bring our ideas to life. Have you ever heard of the crayon etching technique? For this activity, you will need paper, pencil, crayons, paint, paper clip, and sandpaper. Let's begin by taping the edges of our paper to a larger piece of scrap paper. Draw a simple design using a variety of shapes and lines. Next, fill the image with your favorite colors. I'm using a combination of warm colors and cool colors. Now it's time to paint over the design. I'm using black paint for contrast, but you can use any color. After applying the first coat of paint, wait a few minutes and then apply a second coat. Ready for a creativity tip? After the final coat of paint is dry, begin rubbing the sandpaper across the surface to allow parts of the design and crayon colors to appear. You can use the paper clip to scratch in details. Brush away the paint flakes and remove the tape. Share your crayon etching with family and friends. Parents and teachers, post young artists' creations on social media. Thank you for letting your ideas shine today and stay colorful with Creativity Tips.